Beautiful babes, welcome back. We are on day 13 of Facial February, and today your skin gets a reset. If your face has been looking tired, dry, or a little dull lately, this is the treatment your mature skin has been waiting for. We're using two powerful but very gentle ingredients. Together, these two ingredients, they don't just moisturize, they help your skin recover. After you massage this wonderful blend in, you'll notice your skin feels softer, smoother, and more comfortable. Not greasy, not heavy, just healthy. This is a beautiful nighttime facial because your skin repairs itself while you sleep. Let's wake your skin back up. Let me tell you about the two amazing ingredients that we'll be using today. The first one is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil closely matches natural skin sebum. Jojoba oil helps soften fine lines caused by dryness. It supports skin barrier function. It's lightweight, won't clog pores. Jojoba oil improves elasticity and smoothness. Now the second ingredient is aloe vera gel. It soothes irritation and redness. Aloe vera gel deeply hydrates the skin. Aloe vera gel helps calm inflammation. It supports skin recovery after cleansing or exfoliation. Aloe vera gel gives a fresh, plump appearance. Now here's how you mix it up. This is the recipe. 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Mix together until creamy. And to apply it, start with clean skin. Using your fingertips, gently massage it into your face and neck, upward in upward motions. Focus on smile lines, cheeks, and forehead. Now leave this on for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water and follow with your favorite moisturizer. Listen, do this at night for best results. You can use this 2 times per week. It's great between exfoliation days to restore moisture balance.
You walk back in sunshine on your skin like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl,